Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. On this channel we talk about skin, beauty, do's and don'ts. We share reviews, we share recipes, and all the good things in skincare. So if you're a skincare junkie just like I am, you like to try out products, or you're looking for a product for yourself, and or you're a formulator and all of that, you're welcome to my channel. Today I hope you are seeing me because I'm shooting with natural light today. I don't have power, hence I can't use my ring light, so I'm using natural light to make this video. So I hope it is okay with you guys. I'm going to be talking about a scrub. This scrub is currently making buzz in the Nigerian local beauty industry. If you go into any store, any cosmetic store, and you see this scrub, just know that your guy or that your lady, she knows what's up. She dey ground, she knows what's happening in, she's up to date, because this scrub is now the new thing in the beauty industry. This scrub I'm talking about is the Asantee scrub. If it's not clear enough, I will leave a picture for you guys to see, but this is the Asantee scrub. This is the turmeric and ginger spa. This scrub is made in Thailand. This scrub has different ranges of flavors, if I say so. It has the tamarind, it has the milk, and I think milk and glutathione or something. Glutathione, yes, one of that. So there's this yellow one, there's the brown one, there's the blue, and I think green. I'll leave pictures if I'm able to get them. I'll leave pictures for you guys to see. But I went for the turmeric because I love turmeric for my skin, and I believe that turmeric has excellent brightening properties, hence why I like anything turmeric on my skin. And this has ginger. I really don't know what the ginger does yet, but I think in the beauty industry now, people are beginning to figure out what ginger can be used for. But of course, I will update you guys on what the ginger can be used for. Okay, so it also has honey and collagen on it. It's here, honey, collagen. Yes, so that's good. Definitely cell renewal and moisturizing. Okay, there's something I want you guys to know is whenever you're buying a product, or you like a product, you want to buy it, always read the ingredients in that product, because the truth is, if you know your skin, you know what your skin likes, you know what your skin doesn't like. If you really are into products, so you know what your skin doesn't like. Okay, so reading the ingredients, sometimes they might not list everything, but at least they'll list the basics. Reading the ingredients helps you to know what is inside that product that you're about to put on your skin. So when you see something that you know that, okay, my skin doesn't agree with this, you put it down. Not just because everyone is using a product means that it is great for everyone. It might not be great for you, so know what to do. Like me now, I know that turmeric is good for my skin. That's why I went for the turmeric one. Some people feel like glutathione or tamarind is good for their skin, they choose that. Me, I'm okay with turmeric. Asantee salt spa is specially developed with natural herbal and fruit extracts that will revitalize and rejuvenate your skin, leaving your body looking fantastic and feeling fantastic. Turmeric and ginger Asantee salt, just like regular soup, and rinse off with water. Use daily and your body will look and feel fantastic. Okay, the rest of it is written in, I'm guessing, the Thailand language. Okay, so let me go into this scrub. I've been using this scrub for 2 weeks now. Okay, so 2 weeks is a lot of time for me to be able to tell you what I think about this scrub. Okay, the ingredients here are sodium chloride, glycerin, sodium, fragrance, turmeric extract, ginger extract, honey, and collagen, which is already listed on the package. Now, if you're familiar with Asantee, you will know that the Asantee also has a soap. They also make soaps, and their soaps are great. I personally like the papaya and honey soap from Asantee. I have a video talking about my favorite bath soaps to use. This video up here, you will see that. Now, this scrub is a spa salt. So the way you have what's this, Yoko spa salt, it's like this, but it's not the powdery one. This one has already been mixed in something. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is it. It has a cap over here, and this is it. You don't need to use too much of this scrub. Okay, for you to get the maximum benefits of this scrub, use it on a damp skin. Don't use it on dry skin. It's very coarse like that, so don't use it on a dry skin. Use it on a damp skin, not too wet, just damp enough for the scrub to, you know, do its work. Also, don't use this on your face. Using a scrub like this on your face is going to give you micro tears. It's going to tear you little tears on your face, so don't use this scrub on your face. It's very sugar like, so don't use it on your face. Okay, there are other ways to exfoliate. If you want me to tell you how to exfoliate your face, let me know, and I'll make a video concerning that. This scrub is not a whitening scrub. It can brighten, no doubt, because of the elements in it, but it's a basic scrub. It's not supposed to whiten you. Now, if you're someone like me that definitely has stubborn skin, you can add some things to this scrub to make it more effective in lightening or whitening your skin. Okay, but just this scrub alone is not going to whiten your skin. Okay, I got this scrub for 1,000 naira. Now I feel like it might be cheaper in Lagos. I'm based in Abuja, so I got it for 1,000 naira, and I don't know if they cheated me, but that's the price I got it for. When you use this scrub, immediately it's soap like. When you use this scrub, you might not even need to use soap. Me, most times, maybe at night, I don't use soap. I just rinse my body off immediately because the scrub is already soapy. Okay, so you just rinse off. If you want to use your soap, you can use your soap, but with the scrub alone, just rinse off, you are good to go. This scrub is very, very, like, when you finish using it, your skin will feel smooth immediately. This one I can attest to. It feels very smooth immediately, so such that when you're applying your cream on your body, it's immediately, your cream is already, it's just like it's melting into your skin like butter. That is how I feel about this scrub. Okay, so this scrub is very good. I like it. When I use it, like I said, my skin feels smooth immediately. So for someone that has stubborn skin, you definitely need to add some more ingredients into this. But for me personally, I like the way the scrub is already, because I feel like if you give it time, it will do, you know, some brightening, not whitening, some brightening properties. Some people might obviously use this as a base for their scrub. That's also okay as well. Don't use on your face. Okay, it's size sugar like, it's coarse, so don't use it on your face, like I said. So please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button on your way out of this video. Your likes and subscriptions mean a lot to me. Thank you guys for watching. I will of course be posting more videos, more reviews, and all of that. Thank you for tuning into my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.